Hey everyone, this is Ryan B with Practical Forex Trading. This is your weekly analysis for oil. Brent Crude, UK oil. The date is April 5th, 2020. If you want to stay up to date with all of our oil videos, make sure you click that red subscribe button at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. Okay, so we got a couple sentiments here. My long-term sentiment, right? So our multi-year sentiment is, of course, a downtrend, right? Lots of selling has occurred. We saw a recent big sell-off from $70 a barrel all the way down to 25. But now, in the short term, we've got a little bit of retrace going on. So in the short term, I'm bullish. Let's go ahead and get a closer look and talk about where price could be going. So we see a couple of strong bullish candles, Thursday and Friday. Price really took off and moved from the $25 a barrel mark close to $35 a barrel, right? About $10 gain, moving itself above the fast-moving average. Now we look back here and we have this price gap. This occurred in our recent sell-off. And what we'll see is that price gaps typically provide pretty good support and resistance. Right above this gap, we also have this descending trend channel. If we look back historically, price touched it in 2017, again in 2019. Price sat there at the end of the week here in early March of 2020. So the next destination for price would probably be a retrace to come up and touch it, quite literally. So let's go ahead and go into our 4 hour, and we're going to reframe this. We're going to use our Fibonacci tool, Fibonacci retracement, to tell us if price is going to go further, where do we think it's going to go to. So if you click here on your trading tools, you're going to find a fib retracement of some kind. We'll say Fibonacci retracement. You want to click on the recent high, and then you want to click here on the recent low. Now it's going to map out the different fib retracement points. So we see that first it hit 23.6, price came all the way, and look where it spiked. It spiked exactly, right, exactly on the second of the month to the fib 0.382 Fibonacci retracement line. Then after coming back down, if it touches the 38.2 and then keeps going, next destination is the 50. So that puts us right in this gap here, this price gap. So $40.82 a barrel would be the 50 retrace line. Now here's another thing. If there's a big market spike, what we have here is the resistance channel, we have our gap, and we also have the Fibonacci retracement, the golden ratio, 0.618, occurring at $45.33. So, depending on how volatile this kickback is, price is going to go to one of these spots, and the fib tool is great for helping us map that out. Now let's go ahead and put in some trend lines and see if we can get a more accurate probability of where price is going to go. So that's our ultimate top. So you see our highest highs moving along that line. So let's continue this down here. And that lines up pretty good, right? If price were to continue all the way up and come to some kind of tip here, if you will, around the 61.8. However, because this price gap exists, any moves back up here would be pretty quickly rejected, because it means price isn't going to hang out long. It didn't hang out at all there before. It's not going to hang out again. So once we see the retrace, that's your next big spot to sell. So if we look at our timeline down here, today's the 6th. If this trend line continues at this velocity, let's go ahead and, there we go. That's our short-term uptrend. If price stays above this line, it could be, there's the 13th, there's the 20th. We could see price continue up until the 3rd week of the month or so, and that would be the end of our rally, just based by this trend line and our Fibonacci retracement points. So we will see what happens, and I hope you all have a very profitable week. Talk soon.